The most immediate impact automation that you can sell to influencers is an ICA automation. Imagine if you could go to any top influencer and tell them that you're not only gonna help them get more views and virality, but you can actually help them convert their audience into leads. Exactly what this does, and it's so simple to set up. Starts off with the viewer watching a reel on Instagram. The creator at the end of the video is going to say, comment a certain keyword least. 30% of the viewers are going to comment that keyword, and then our automated systems automatically gonna send them a DM. Normally, they can send a link to a website or form a product and start converting the viewers into paying leads. You can also take this one step further and have an AI bot answer all the Instagram DMs and have conversations, and also automatically respond to the comment as well. So, if you're an influencer looking to attract your ideal audience effortlessly with ICA automation, this is your game changer. DM me now.